Hello. I just want to talk about the Bleep Eclipse. Um, it is a lifesaver. I was diagnosed with severe sleep apnea about 6 or 7 months ago, and I went through several masks, and I just could not get comfortable in any of them. I could not sleep. I felt them on my face all day the next day, and I just was really struggling with being in compliance. And then I found the Bleep Eclipse, and I tried it, and it was like a miracle. No headgear. That's so important to me. And it's just so easy to attach the magnets. I just find the whole thing so much easier, and I can actually do this, and it's not hard anymore. So I'm very thankful for that. Thank you. You'll like it too.